Stop. What's your point, bro?
You recording me?
Yeah, I can.
Awesome.
I'm putting it on YouTube. I'm going outside here a minute too. What you playing? Basketball?
I'm winning! I'm winning! Nigga!
And out of bounds as Milan gets possession. I tell you what, he clearly had a great
Hey, boy.
on that one. You might just as well keep going straight to the bench.
I'll be back, dude. Come on. Yeah, guys, if you know how to hack a lawnmower, please leave it in the comment section, and then, if that works, just leave me a video so I can look at it, because I won't be able to get it started, so I need your guys' help. So if you guys know how to do it, just, like I said, leave a comment, and please subscribe to this channel. Not really a channel, but still, please subscribe. And yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time, and peace out.